This tutorial will show you how to bookmark a page online using and with Safari for your smartphone completely for free. If you like what you see, drop this video a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first step to bookmark a page for Safari for your smartphone, in this case I'm using an iPhone device, is click on Safari, go to the website that you want to bookmark, and basically once it's loaded, you want to click right here on the bottom screen. You want to click this icon right there, and then scroll down. Basically you have a list of different options, but we want to click this option, or the third option, add bookmark. And bada bing bada boom, click right here, top right hand screen, save. And now if you want to access it, click this icon, the reading book icon, and then the first icon right here, scroll down, and voila, as you can see, you can now access and click on your bookmark page completely for free for smartphone. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.